Hi, so in this video, we're going to be focusing on choosing the factors that are important to you and your business, your unique business, um, that would help you prioritize the markets that you should be focusing on in Africa. You know, the main challenge for a lot of people is Africa is very vast, 54 unique countries. They're, the poster child markets that everybody wants to go to, whether it's Nigeria is the big market or a country that has all the infrastructure. But depending on your business, there might be other countries that you can focus on. So in this workshop, we're going to help you choose out the factors that are important to you and put in weight on each factor. And then you can, we're going to give you a toolbook, a prioritization toolbook in which you can simply input some of these factors that you're going to choose yourself. And you're going to get the top 10 countries that you should focus on. It's very simple. So just download the workbook, choose the market, put some weightings on the factors that are more important to you, and then download the toolbook that would help you simply input some of these numbers that you've put in and get your top 10 markets or top 15 or however how many countries you want to prioritize. So go ahead and download the workbook. See you soon in the final video.